morning everyone. In this experiment, I configured IPv6 addressing and routing between two networks using Cisco Packet Tracer. Why I am using IPv6? IPv6 is the next generation internet protocol designed to replace IPv4. It provides a much large address space and improves routing efficiency. This solves the problem of IP address exhaustion in IPv4. Network setup. I created a network topology using two routers and two switches and two PCs. I connected all the devices using appropriate cables. IPv6 address configuration. I assigned IPv6 address to router interfaces using the given addressing table. I also assigned IPv6 addresses to PCs along with their default gateways. Each network uses a 64 prefix which is standard in IPv6 addressing, enabling of IPv6 routing. By default, routers do not forward IPv6 packets. So I enabled IPv6 routing using the command IPv6 unicast routing. This allows the router to forward IPv6 traffic between the networks. Static routing. I configure static routes on both routers to remove the network. This tells each router how to reach networks that are not directly connected. I verified connectivity using IPv6 ping between the PCs. I also used show commands to check routing and interface configuration. The ping was successful, which confirms the proper routing and addressing. Finally, IPv6 addressing and static routing were successfully configured and communication between networks were verified. From this experiment, I learned how to configure IPv6 addresses on routers and end devices using proper prefix notation. I understood how to enable IPv6 routing and configure static routes between the networks. I also learned how IPv6 solves the limitation of IPv4 by providing a larger address space. I verified communication using IPv6 pin and understood how routing works in IPv6 networks. And that's all about the eighth experiment. Thank you.